We don't use them every day. Well, more or less, we don't use them, right? But when we're counting money, we know how to count money. We know how to give change. We know how to spell. Well, I have little problems here and there, but we know how to spell. We know our alphabet. All right. So I want IP addressing to be the same way. IPv4, especially because we're still in love with it for some reason, and then start getting more in love with IPv6 and get more comfortable with it so we can configure. All right. So again, go to globed.net. We're not done. We're going to configure OSPF now. Go to globed.net, please, and go to the CCNA bootcamp. I'll show it to you again before we start the lab. Okay, there it is right there. 64 hours. Okay, 64 hours, Saturday, Sunday, 6 to 9 EST. Okay, well, no, I should have just stayed there. I'll just go to the lab. Hold on. All right, this is a simple lab, but we'll do a dual stack. We'll do a dual stack. All right, so here's the lab. No big deal. Right, I already put the IPv4 IP addresses. So let me put here what the IPv6 is going to be. But first we'll do IPv4. And let's do it the long way. So we can talk about that as well. Bad, obviously. 1000:64. Okay, and then you get this. Control CV, and we'll come on. I'll just put it on here. All right, and it's not the LAN. It's just no space. All right, and that'll be that. All right, so IPv4 is already set. So let's talk about OSPF. So OSPF is a link state routing protocol, right? And is based on areas. And the backbone area is area 0. If in this topology, I can say I put this area 1 and area 2,